Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my July Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So this month's theme is Au Naturel. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's what the card looks like. I think it's super cute. And I got variation number 4. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with is the Kojendo, I don't know if I'm saying that right, cleansing spa water like makeup wipes, and the wipes retail for $17, and you do only get 10 wipes in this pack. So personally, I think that's a little expensive for only 10 wipes. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Elemis, and it's their Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and that's what it looks like. The mask retails for $35. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Lexi, and it's their Gaia, I don't know how to say that, but it's a 3-piece brush set. And the cool thing about this little like envelope packaging is that it's recyclable. Like I said, you get 3 brushes in the set, and it retails for $30. You get a Luxie 510 foundation brush, and the brushes are super cute. They're like not like the normal Luxie handles. They're more like wooden, and they have like a more like wooden pattern on them. I think they're super cute, and they're like extremely soft. Then the next one in the set that you get is the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. So just a large fluffy crease brush. And then the last one that you get is the Luxie 246 precision crease, which I don't understand why this is named a crease brush, because it's a like flat like eyelid brush. Like I would use this to pack on like a shimmer shade. I would not use this in the crease, so I'm not completely sure why this is called a crease brush, but it's still very cute. And then the next thing that I got in my box is from Butter London, and it's the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, and this palette retails for $32. And this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's so cute. I love the flowers, and then the like wood grain pattern on it. I like love the packaging on this palette. This is what the inside looks like. You do get a mirror. So, like I said, this is what the inside looks like. There's 2 mattes and then 4 shimmers. And then the last thing that I got in my box is this lip gloss by Luna, and I got the shade Venus. This is what it looks like. It's like a nude with like a gold shimmer to it. I love the little stars on the packaging. I just think it's super cute. And this lip gloss retails for $18. So usually with these videos I would try as many products on as I can, but I kind of just wanted to do my makeup really quick, and I didn't want this video to be super long. It is that time of the month for me, so I'm kind of like, I just feel blah, and I'm a little cranky, to be honest. So I just wanted to get this video like done as quick as I can. So I did already use the eyeshadow palette. So when I was using this palette at first, I tried to go into the shade Temptress, which is this like really dark matte chocolatey brown, and I was trying to put it on like my outer corner and into my crease, and I don't know if it's the eyeshadow or if maybe it was the brush I was using, but it was like really patchy. So next time I use this, I think maybe I'll use a different brush and see if I can get it to blend better, or maybe it's just the eyeshadow. I'm not completely sure. I've never tried any eyeshadows from Butter London, so I just ended up wiping it off, and then I went into the shade Diva. Sorry, my nails are very chipped, so just ignore that. But I went into the shade Diva, which is this really nice like bronzy shade, and I just packed that all over my lid, and then I used the fluffy blending brush that came in the set, and I just blended it in my crease. So I just have that shimmer shade all over my lid, and then I went into the shade Femme Fatale, this like turquoise bluish color. I'm not completely sure like exactly the color. And I smudged that on my lower lash line. And then I did go back into Temptress, which is that matte chocolate brown, and I used a small like angled liner brush, and I used it as a eyeliner, and I think it looks really cool. And then for the inner corner and brow bone, I used the shade Enchantress, which is that really light like shimmery gold shade. So that's the eye look that I came up using the palette. I think it's really cute, and I think it's like perfect for like summer. It just gives me like summer vibes with the bronze color all over the lid and then the blue on the lower lash line. Now I will say I'm not like super impressed with this palette. It's kind of just, it's not really my favorite. I don't know if I got maybe like a bad batch or if this is just the way the formula is, but it's not really my favorite. Like I said that the matte brown shade was really patchy when I tried to use it, and then I swatched the green and the kind of like rose gold shade, and the green is like really sheer compared to the Diva shades. So like I said, it's not my favorite palette. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I'm definitely gonna use it again and try to see if I can get that matte brown shade to work, and maybe try the green, and maybe it's not so sheer when it's on the eyes. But yeah, I still like the palette, but it's not my favorite. So for the Elemis face mask, I did try this the other night, and this is supposed to help nourish and help the skin look more brighter. It's got avocado and broccoli seed oils, and it's rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. And when I tried this the other night, honestly, it didn't really do anything for my skin. My skin just felt like dry after I washed it off. It didn't feel like hydrated at all. It did feel like nice and soft, but this is supposed to help like hydrate your skin, and it honestly didn't do that. So I don't know if maybe I didn't apply enough or maybe I put too much, but I'll have to keep like trying this and seeing how it goes. But like I said, first impressions, I don't really care for this. It just didn't do like what it said it's supposed to do, which is hydrate your skin, and it didn't do that. My skin felt pretty dry afterwards. So like I said, I'll just have to keep using this and see how it goes. And then for the brushes, I always love makeup brushes, and I especially love Luxie brushes because they always have like super cute packaging, and their brushes are extremely soft and they're really good quality. I know they can be pretty pricey, which is why I really like getting them in the box. I know some people complain that they put makeup brushes in the box like too often, but I personally think you can't have too many brushes. So I love the brush set as always. Like I said, they're extremely soft. Like I love these brushes. I love any of the brushes that they put in the box. And then for the cleansing spa water like makeup wipes or whatever, honestly I don't know if I'll ever use these because I just use baby wipes and they work really well. My skin is weird when it comes to like actual makeup wipes, so I've always just used baby wipes to take off my makeup, and then I go in with my cleanser. So baby wipes just work really well, and they're super cheap, and you get way more than 10, and they're like $3 versus this is like $17 for 10 wipes. So I don't know if I'll ever use these wipes. I might just keep them as like a emergency like wipe if I ever run out of my baby wipes and I can't like get to the store anytime soon. So I'll just keep these as like an emergency wipe, or maybe I'll just get curious and try them one day. So I'm kind of just like about the wipes. I personally would have liked to get something different, but I'm not really complaining too much. So, and then for the lip gloss from Luna by Luna, I actually haven't tried this yet. I wanted to try this on camera since I did use the eyeshadow palette off camera. So like I said, I got the shade Venus, and it's like a nude lip gloss with like a gold shimmer. So I'm just going to try this on. I don't have anything on my lips. Let's see if this has a smell. It's got that typical like cake batter, like cupcake smell. I love that smell in lip products. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. It's definitely got a gold like shimmer sheen to it, but it is a nude. Okay, so this is the lip gloss. I think it's like really pretty. Like I said, it's a nude with like a gold shimmer to it. It's super pretty, and it's definitely perfect for the summertime or just any time of the year. It doesn't feel like sticky at all. So yeah, I like this. It's just a really pretty nude shimmery gloss. I can see myself wearing this pretty often. So yeah, that was everything in my July 2019 Boxycharm. Like I said, it's not like my most favorite month, but it's not the worst. I don't, there's nothing that I like totally hate. Like I said, I could really like care less about the makeup wipes. And I don't hate the eyeshadow palette. It's not the worst, but it's also not the best, but I'll still keep using it and testing out that matte brown shade. Like I said, I'll have to keep using the face mask too to see if it does anything. As always, I love the makeup brushes, and the lip gloss is really nice. It's super pretty. So yeah, usually I would try like the eyeshadow palette on camera, but like I said, I just wanted to keep this video like pretty short. I know these videos can be kind of long every month, so thought I would switch it up a little bit and try to keep it a little shorter. So yeah, that was everything in my box. Let me know in the comments what you guys got. I'm curious to know, and if you liked your box this month. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.